It was a rainy day, y'all. Rainy day. Man, look how wet it is. Wet. Hey, I usually don't let nothing stop me from mowing, you know what I mean? But it's too wet, y'all, all right? It's just too wet, okay? So that's why God gives us a brain, common sense, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go take advantage of this day and just run errands. I set up myself up an appointment with my new medical doctor, okay, my medical provider. I was retired from the Marine Corps, so I had to get my own doctor out in town. So see that retired, y'all. 2 months ago, y'all. So I'm still trying to figure out the civilian life, all right? So I'm used to just going inside a medical, my battalion aid station and just getting free, medical, you know what I mean? Hey, I got a boo-boo, it hurts. Oh, I feel sick. Oh, my back hurts. They take care of you right there, y'all. But not in the civilian world, okay? So, hey, I'm learning, y'all, okay? So gonna go see my new medical provider, give me a full physical. I got the mowers tarped up right now, okay? Not the front. I'm not really worried about the front, mainly like the back where the engine's at and where you put the ignition key switch. All right, you see that? Got the 42 and the 52. And make sure you cover your mowers in the rain, okay? All right? If you could cover, I need a bigger tarp. If you could cover the whole thing, even better. You're just protecting it from the elements, all right? But hey, stay safe out there, y'all. When it's wet, don't stop too fast, all right? And on the road and when you're mowing, when it's wet, good luck, all right? Because if we're mulching leaves, they're gonna be stuck to the ground, all right? But anyway, hey, God bless. Thanks for watching, and hey, see you on the next video. Bye.